dear students, I am going to teach class 10 refraction of light in physics. In the previous class, I have taught you what is refraction of light. When the light enters from one medium to another medium, then it bends at the boundary separating it. Yeah, it changes its path at the boundary separating. So this bending of light is known as refraction of light. Okay? So refraction of light in the previous class I have taught you. Okay? Today I am going to teach the refractive index, real medium and denser medium, also taught in the previous class. When the speed of light is more, then that will be real medium, and if the speed of light is less, so that is denser medium. Means higher the speed, higher the speed, rare the medium, and lower the speed, denser the medium. In this way, the medium may be denser or rare. Today I am going to teach refractive index. Refractive index क्या होता है? Okay? तो refractive index, suppose let the speed of light in medium 1 is v1, right? And the speed of light in medium 2 is v2, right? Then refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is equal to the ratio of the speed of light in medium 1 to the speed of light in medium 2. Okay? In this way, medium 1, speed of light, okay? Refractive index, the speed of light of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is equal to v1 by v2. Okay? In this way, we can write the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1. In this way, we can write 1 into, it means the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 is equal to v1 by v2, where v1 is the speed of light in medium 1 and v2 is the speed of light in medium 2, right? Then, okay, the medium 1 is vacuum. Suppose, okay, the medium 1 is vacuum. Let it be medium 1 is vacuum. Then refractive index is defined as the ratio of the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. Okay? The refractive index is defined as the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium is known as refractive index. Okay? It is denoted by N. Okay? So refractive index is defined in this way: is the ratio of a speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium is known as refractive index. A speed of light in air is almost equal to the speed of light in vacuum. Okay, means a speed of light in air is equivalent to the speed of light in vacuum. दोनों में speed of light लगभग सेम होता है. Understanding? The speed of light in vacuum is equal to the speed of light in air. So we can also write the refractive index is equal to a speed of light in air, okay, to the speed of light in medium. It is also, okay, defined in this way. The refractive index is defined as the speed of light in air to the speed of light in medium. Okay, the ratio of the speed of light in air to the speed of light in medium. Okay, in this way refractive index is defined. That is N is equal to C by V. Okay, N is equal to C by V, where C is equal to a speed of light in air and V is equal to a speed of light in medium. Understanding? So the medium may be rare or denser. It depends on the refractive index. If the refractive index is higher, then the medium will be denser, and the refractive index is lower, the refractive index is lower, then the medium is rare. Okay, to rare or denser medium. Okay, what are rare medium and denser medium? To rare medium and denser medium depends on refractive index. Okay, so refractive index is higher the refractive index, denser the medium, and lower the refractive index, rare the medium. Okay, यदि मीडियम रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स मीडियम का हाई है तो वो मीडियम डेंसर होगा, एंड यदि रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ मीडियम लो है तो वह मीडियम रेयर होगा, एज एयर. ओके, टू एयर एंड वाटर, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, टू एयर एंड वाटर, कंपैरिजन टू वाटर, एयर इज द रेयर मीडियम, ओके, एंड वाटर इज द denser medium. Okay, means water is denser than air because the refractive index of water is more than the refractive index of air, right? So refractive index, some important refractive index of some materials is given. You will read it, understand. Then what is relative refractive index? अब relative refractive index क्या होता है? Let us know relative refractive index. Okay, dear students, let us know the relative refractive index and absolute refractive index क्या होता है? Okay, तो relative refractive index अपेक्षिक refractive index. The refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is known as relative refractive index. As the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. Okay, जैसे दो मीडियम का refractive index कंपैरिजन, तो दोनों का relative refractive index का रहता है. The refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is known as relative refractive index. That is the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1. इसको क्या पढ़ेंगे? This symbol, the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is equal to the speed of light in medium 1 to the speed of light in medium 2. Okay, this is relative refractive index. As the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 is equal to, okay, the speed of light in medium 1 to the speed of light in medium 2. That is n1 by n2. So we can write the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 is equal to c by v1. Okay, c क्या है? The speed of light in vacuum या air, and v1 the speed of light in medium 1, and this c speed of light in vacuum or v2 the speed of light in medium 2, right? Then similarly the refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2. Okay, the refractive index of medium 1 with respect to refractive index of 2 medium 2 is equal to a speed of light in medium 2 to the speed of light in medium 1, right? So we can write the refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2 is equal to n2 by n1, or we can write in this way, the refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2 is equal to c by v2 by c by v1, where c is the speed of light in vacuum and v2 is the speed of light in medium 2, and c the speed of light in vacuum and v1 the speed of light in medium 1, right? In this way, okay, a is equal to क्या हो गया? c by v है here, तो c से c कट जाएगा और v1 by v2, और यहाँ क्या आ जाएगा? c by v और v2 by v1, okay? In this way, there by multiplying equation 1 and 2, equation 1 और 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करने में, okay, लेफ्ट को लेफ्ट साइड, राइट को राइट साइड, okay, तो refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 and multiplied by refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2 is equal to v2 by v1 into v1 by v2, okay, V2 से V2 कैंसिल, V1 से V1, that is equal to 1i. Means refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is equal to 1 by refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2. Right? In this way, the relative refractive index is determined. Understanding? If you are not able to understand, then replay the video and see again and again to understand properly. Now, absolute refractive index. Okay, absolute refractive index क्या होता है? तो absolute refractive index is defined as, okay, in this way, when the light enter from vacuum to another medium, right? When the light enter from vacuum या air to another medium, then the value of refractive index is known as absolute refractive index, right? How absolute refractive index is defined? The absolute refractive index is defined in this way: when the light enter from air, yeah, from vacuum, okay, to another medium, then the value of refractive index is called the absolute refractive index, right? In this way, refractive index is defined. Now, suppose, okay, refractive index of some materials, how the medium is rare and denser, it depends on refractive index. Okay, higher the refractive index, denser the medium, and lower the refractive index, okay, rare the medium. जितना refractive index higher होगा, वो medium उतना ही dense होगा, और refractive index जितना lower होगा, वो medium उतना ही rare होगा. Understanding? as जैसे देखिए यहाँ medium और refractive index. The refractive index of some material like medium ये and this side refractive index air, तो air का refractive index होता है 1.003, right? And water 1.33 and alcohol 1.36, right? Glass का 1.52, ice का 1.31. Understanding? In this way, as the refractive index increases, the medium will become more denser. Okay? Diamond का refractive index सबसे ज्यादा होता है diamond का. Understanding? In this way, higher the refractive index, denser the medium, and lower the refractive index, rare the medium. Okay? Medium denser और rare refractive index पे निर्भर करता है. जिसका refractive index जिस medium का ज्यादा होता है, higher होता है, वह medium ज्यादा dense का होता है. And जिस medium का refractive index low होता है, वह medium denser का होता है. यानी कि विरल माध्यम. Understanding? As in the rare medium, the speed of light is maximum, and in the denser medium, the speed of light is minimum. Okay? Higher the speed, okay, denser the medium, and lower the speed, rare the medium. जितना speed of light ज्यादा होगा जिस medium में, वो medium उतना ही rare होगा, और जिस medium में speed of light जितना कम होगा, वो medium उतना ही dense होगा. यानी denser और rare speed of light पर भी निर्भर करता है. Understanding? और refractive index पर. तो refractive index ज्यादा होगा तो medium dense होगा. Understanding? और refractive index कम होगा तो वह medium rare होगा. और rare medium में speed of light ज्यादा होगा, okay, and denser medium speed of light कम होगा. Okay, denser the medium, okay, and higher the refractive index and lower the refractive index, rare the medium. In this way, refractive index is defined. Okay. In the next class, I will teach you about the law of reflection of light. Understanding? In the next class, I will teach you law of refraction, not reflection. Law of refraction. Okay? Law of refraction of light. When the light enters from one medium to another medium. Okay? On the basis of this law of refraction, as like the law of reflection. Reflection के भी दो नियम थे, law of reflection का, और law of refraction का भी दो नियम है. Understanding? Okay, in the next class I will teach you the law of refraction. That's all. Thank you.